How to create account on Asana. You will need to use modern browser to be able to use Asana and all of its feature. That means if you are still using Internet Explorer, please just switch to modern browser like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Brave, whatever. Okay? If you find these kinds of tutorials to be helpful, please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. Okay, first off, just open asana.com from your browser, and then from there, just choose on Get Started. Just to enter whichever email you wanted to sign up to. On the next screen, you will be presented with a verified email account, which will provide you with a Gmail link. If you agree, or you can choose to receive email via, or if you use other provider other than Gmail, you can also choose to activate your account via email. Because mine is hosted on Google, I will choose continue with Google. You will be redirected to a Google callback or off screen. Choose whichever account that you wanted to use. Please make sure that that account matches whichever account that you entered previously on Asana. On the first screen, Asana will prompt you for your full name. Just enter your full name. And then the kind of work that you do. Choose whichever one. Use whichever option that you want on the next screen. If you plan to use it for your enterprise, for your company, you will need to choose project and process management. If you are using it for yourself, you can choose personal task management. Or if any of the alternatives are not of your concern, or you are not sure yet, whatever purpose of your Asana is, you can choose I'm not sure yet. Then enter your project name. You should enter like whatever task that you want it to be done. So for example, something like that. Once you're done, just click continue, and you can choose to modify also the progress into stages, and you can modify the name of the stages. For example, I will add like in progress. You can always modify it later. Press on continue, and then you can choose the layout of your task list, your project list. You can choose list like this. Timeline if you wanted to do like something epic. Kanban board, or just the calendar. I'll choose Kanban board for this example. You can always view it on other modes later. Press on continue. You can invite any teammates if you want. And then that just take you to your project. You will be presented with a dialog that your 30 days trial starts today. Just click on let's get started, and here's your board. Okay, and if you want to add a project, just click on there. You can also assign people to any task. So for example, this one, I will assign it to myself. You can check on the priority as well. So this thing is low priority. You can always modify it to be higher. You can also check the status and also add new status. You can add description, you can add more from there. Okay, and you can also view reporting, which is Asana speak for any report of the task that you needed to be done or it's being done by your teammates. You can also assign goals in this menu. Okay, you can also invite new teammates or invite people to this project. And that's pretty much the whole tutorial. That's how you create account on Asana. If you find this content or tutorial to be helpful and you wanted to see more, please make sure that you hit subscribe, like and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us at Tactrix to cover, also do not hesitate to put it on the comment section down below. Cheers, I hope it helps, and until the next tutorial, YouTube, bye.